Today we'll talk about how can you clear favorite lists on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click on this sign down here, and you just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here, you keep going down, then you click here on settings. So then you come to next step here. Then all you have to do now, just go down here. So then you just click here on clear favorite list, just click on it here. Then it's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do, you just click here on yes. So then automatically it's going to remove video here on your app. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.